Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you should open Files Manager, then you can transfer images, videos, docs, audios and everything you have on your device. So let's just transfer some images, for example. Could be like some of these. So to select them, you hold down your finger on them, select which images you want to transfer, could be these ones, and you select if you want to copy them or if you want to move them. So let's copy. Then we select memory card, select any folder you like, could be pictures, and confirm it like this. And as you can see, now we have like these images not only on our internal storage but also on our SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.